What's up, YouTubers? Ah, it's so dark. What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to Spark Your Life. My name is Ben Sparks, and Blake is being super annoying. So we are going to go out and plant some plants that we've been growing. So here we go.
Did we show them that?
First, we are going to show you what happened earlier today. This is what happened earlier today. I opened this drawer, I went like this, and look what's there. If you aren't laughing right now, go and watch the last video I posted. Alright, here is our plants we've been growing in the plant grower. Many of you know what this is. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Here are the other plants that have gotten too big for this. Here, outside, is our garden. We are heading outside to plant our plants. Here we go.
Here we go. Here we go.
Bye. So, you can also see the updates that we did. We put some weed guard tarp right there. And we also went over here, cleaned out the garage a little bit, and put our weed guard tarp right here. So what we're gonna do here is we are gonna dump gravel and have a nice side little driveway. And also, you can see what else we did in our French drain. So we are not done with our French drain yet. We are getting our pea gravel tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday. And you can see our French drain working. As you can see, it's all full of water. It's full of water there, and it drains, ties in there to that T, and goes all the way down to the road. We're gonna go ahead and fill all this with pea gravel. And it goes right down there to the road. So I didn't get enough pipe, so we're gonna take that and lead it all the way to under our driveway. But that won't come for 2 weeks, but we'll go ahead and fill all this up with pea gravel in the meantime. But for now, it smells like burgers out here.
Yeah, because
Somebody's neighbors must be cooking burgers. All right, so here is our garden that Kayla painted. And it's been raining really hard, but we are getting grass growing back in the backyard. And there's our trampoline. But we built this garden, and Kayla's rigging it up right now, and I will set up the camera.
ooh, hard work.
What?
I said, ooh, hard work.
What? Raking that out?
No, setting up the camera.
Well, you can set it up, and I'll rake that out. Alrighty then, that was easy. And there you go.
And it's set up. So
what are we gonna plant? What do we have to plant?
we have carrots. We have cucumbers. We have squash. We have onions. We have...
We have mud. Lots and lots of mud.
Tomatoes.
So we will fill the rest of that up later with another what?
truck bed full
of dirt.
Dirt.
But it's been too wet at the yard, so what are we going to plant first?
I think we should do squash first.
Squash?
Yeah.
We need to do the lower plants first and the higher plants back here.
I don't know how tall a squash plant is going to grow.
A squash?
So you wanna
Squash
do
grows out.
So you want to do carrots up here?
Squash lays down and grows out. So yeah, let's do carrots first.
So what should we do? How many are there? 6?
Yep, 3. I don't know. Where are they? Right here?
Yeah, I think there's 6.
Yep, there's 6 carrots.
We'll let Blake plant them in here. I'm just gonna dig the holes.
So here are our carrot plants, and they're going right there. It'll grow. For sure it'll grow. All right.
Wait, over here. We're doing carrots first.
Not yet.
Here is our squash plant. And we're going to put these right there, 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 and there.
Just use your hands. Just a little bit.
Really going to put them more like that.
That all done? That's how you do it? I saw you, so I might do it when
Here are our onions. It is not grass.
you don't eat it. Don't eat
I think I might have drowned you.
Because if you think those are onions, don't even think about eating them. You better not. What are these?
These are
Those are
squash.
fluffy. The stem's fluffy. Ew, look it.
Come on.
It looks like it's poop, but
I think I drowned these ones a couple days ago.
But they're still fine. They just need a little bit more water.
No more water.
Yeah, until we get it ready. A little more water. But they're dead.
Here are our cucumber.
Sorry, but we didn't need that. Doing that wrong.
And here are our tomato. And here are our sunflowers. And right behind Kayla is that white box over there. And we're going to fill that dirt up and put it probably somewhere over there. So right now we're just going to leave it out here and we're going to mildly plant them until we get that box full of dirt.
Let's do a time lapse doing that. Alright, Dad?
I think you only know you know what a time lapse is, so that's all you want to do.
Yeah.
I thought you were going to help Mom plant these. It looks like she's doing all the planting.
But
Big rock.
could I help?
Yeah.
And then over there, we're going to plant red pepper, broccoli, pumpkins, and cantaloupe over in this area. And we'll just plant these straight. Just turn you right there. There you go.
Oopsies, I put a little too much.
You gotta be very gentle.
Good job, Bob. All done.
Hold on.
Look at all these worms we got.
I hope they don't eat our plants.
No, they're gonna help our plants. They're gonna grind. Worms are super good.
What do worms do?
Worms loosen up the dirt.
Here, here's one.
Worms loosen up the dirt so the roots can grow nice and easy.
Yeah, not like nice.
Nope, nice and easy. What do you got the hammer in your hand for? You gonna use a hammer for something?
Yeah, watch.
What? Whoa, you are super strong.
Andy, you see our plants? They're doing super duper good.
Yeah, we just got all of our stuff planted, so now it can grow.
So we have our onions right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have
Can I pet her?
our squash. See? Squash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have our carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our cucumbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our tomatoes. That's a blackhead, not a tomato. Whoa!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, man. You got to be gentle with those. We have our tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have our sunflowers that we're going to plant in that box once we fill it. And we have our other seeds that we're going to plant all right here. So, Blake, do you want to say thank you and bye to the YouTubers?
Thanks for...
What'd you do? Clapping at dirt in your face?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching and subscribing. Join to our channel. Bye.
Bye.